Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader on X2. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is a 50-minute chart of gold in front of us. And as expected, the market is trading in a tight range, okay, or market is sideways, or we can also say the market is choppy. As we all know, market is waiting for the next Fed meeting for the interest rate cut decision, which is coming after 2 days, I believe. So we can expect the market to remain like this, okay, for the next 1 or 2 days. And one more thing we need to keep in mind is that this is the month of December, and December and January are not the ideal months to trade also, because after the second week of December, we usually see market going flat. Market doesn't show much activity because the market is in holiday mode. So I don't know how much trading we have left for this year, but right now we can see the market is sideways and we can expect that it will remain the same. So we need to plan our trades accordingly. So this was our chart from yesterday. Okay, we discussed about the selling opportunity below this particular red line below 90, 91, 92 area, and it did pretty well. Okay, our selling did pretty well. There was a minor support. Remember, I told you guys that okay, if the selling pressure is high, the minor support will be gone. And yes, the minor support did not work as expected, but our major support worked perfectly. Okay, this support worked perfectly. To be honest, at one point, okay, selling pressure so high, okay, it made me believe that the market would be going down. I took a sell also. Yes, I took a sell at the support. I told you guys to buy, but okay. Hmm. I took a sell also at the support, and when market really took the support, I was surprised. My SL was hit. Okay, my SL was hit, and to recover the loss again, I had to buy. Okay, but yes, the support did pretty well. Anyways, okay, this was the chart from yesterday. Okay, so this is our chart for the day. Let's discuss the levels one by one. So our black line, this black line around 77, 78. Okay, this level did a fine job. It did a fine job, but today there is a possibility that okay, it may not work because already this level has done its job, and there's a high chance that market will be going for some SL hunting this time. So where is our next buy zone for the day? The next buy zone for the day is around 4170, 4165. We have been discussing about this. So during the day, if market takes support, we can look for a buy around this area. And during the during the US session, if you see market is under heavy selling pressure, just like yesterday, we can also look for a sell below 4163 as well. But as I always say, my reference, okay, before any breakout or breakdown, always look for some consolidation. So today, after taking support, let's say market consolidates for a while. After that, if market goes down, then there's a high chance that the breakdown will sustain. The breakdown will be a good one. Otherwise, okay, there's always a possibility of a false breakout or breakdown. So always look for some consolidation before any breakout or breakdown. Okay, so buy zone is around 4165, 4170. Okay, and if the selling pressure is too high, okay, after one bounce, if you see market is coming down, then we can see market going below 4163 as well. And if market goes up from here, see, the market is sideways, market is indecisive, means we do not have any particular direction in the market. Neither buyers nor sellers are dominating the market right now. So in a situation like this, we can look for opportunities both sides. So if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, today we can look for a sell around 4208, 4210. The first black line that you see here is the level where you can look for a sell position. Keep in mind, these are not very strong levels, but the market is choppy right now, so we are looking for some opportunities. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, you can look for a sell opportunity. How much you can expect? Initially, you can expect 40 to 50 pips. Yesterday, the dotted line, okay, this dotted line here, you can see worked nicely. Today also, you can look for a selling opportunity if the volume is low. Otherwise, okay, the reliable selling opportunity seems to be around 422830. Means this is the second level, this is the first level. 420810 is the first level where you can look for a sell. Second is around 422830. But if market is very slow, then you can expect 4218 to work again. Yesterday it did a nice job. Today you can expect it to work again. But as it has worked one time, okay, today I'm expecting 4208 and 4228 to come into the scene. Just keep in mind, okay, these are the levels, okay, that are not very strong levels because, okay, these are the FIBO levels. So these are FIBO levels. You can see this is FIBO 38.2 and this is our FIBO 61.8% retracement line. That's why I said they are not very strong. For example, in the US session, now listen to me carefully. In the US session, if you see that there is a sudden recovery on gold, if you see market is going up with big green candles, then obviously, okay, chances are high that it may not work. Because see, when volume is high, and the level is weak, then it may not work. Okay, so observe the market. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, then only hit the sell button. Do not trade blindly. And still we can see that 4200 is working like a magnet. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And obviously for the market to be bullish, okay, for the market to be bullish, we need gold above 4260 or 4270. Okay, as long as market is trading below 4270, you cannot say the market is bullish. The market will remain under pressure. The market will be sideways. And because of the upcoming Fed meeting, there is a possibility that we may not see some big moves right now. Okay, and market may remain like this. So we need to plan our trades accordingly. Okay, and my dear friends, okay, this is the Vantage's platform. You can see they have integrated trading view. So if you want to trade directly from trading view, you can open your trading account with Vantage. You can see you can sell and buy directly from the platform. So you don't need to go to the mobile application or the MT4 MT5 for separate order execution. You can do everything at once. And moreover, Vantage is also one of the most popular, one of the most safe or safest broker in the world. So if you're looking for a good option for your trading, then obviously Vantage deserves a chance because Vantage is one of the best broker in the world. It's a multi-regulated broker with licenses all around the world. Moreover, they also provide insurance up to $1 million for those, okay, who trade with big capital. So if you are trading with a big capital, you don't need to worry about the safety. Okay, and if you join with our referral, you also get access to our WhatsApp group as well. Okay, so feel free to join Vantage. Okay, Vantage is the best solution, especially for Indians who are looking for new option right now. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.